Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel Wristwatch and Wallet, and I'm back with another unboxing video. This time we will be unboxing an homage watch, but before that don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. It will help the channel to grow and I will be able to get more watches for you. First, it is a wrist check time, and today I am wearing my Fortune model number TM142. It's a very nice looking dress watch. Today's watch came in this blue color box with the name of manufacturer printed on top of it, which is LIGE design. Without any delay, let's open the box. And after opening the box, we can see a few things. First, it's a watch, and then we can see a pouch which contains a few things, and then we have a sizing tool. Let's put it aside. In the packaging, we can see an unsigned international guarantee card, which is of no use. Then we have a mini cleaning cloth, and then we have a watch manual. It's in English, and finally we have a tag. For now, let's focus on the watch. Let's remove the plastic quickly to have a better look. I will speed up the video to save some time. Look at the beauty. I instantly fell in affection with this watch. Look at the blue dial sunburst effect and the bezel giving it such a luxurious look. The case is made of stainless steel and has a shiny appearance from the side, but it is brushed on the top. The crown is shouldered and has a screw down mechanism, and also it is marked. Then we have a unidirectional ceramic bezel. The markings are carved on it and then filled with the white for highlighting. And there's a pip plume. Now let's check the bezel action. Try to center. Well, there's a significant back play. I believe it is a 90 click bezel. Overall, they have done a good job. The watch is powered by a 3 Hz self-winding movement with a 36 hours power reserve, and I am assuming that the movement is from DG family, which is the most used watch movement in affordable watches. The blue color of the dial stands out. The indices are in different shape. Most of them are circular except at 12, 3, 6 and 9. Then we have a date window at position 3. Then we have iconic Mercedes hand set. The hands are lumed. The bracelet is also made of stainless steel, and this particular design bracelet is known as oyster. It is brushed on the top and has shining appearance from the side. The links and the end links are solid. The links are held together by push pins, and then we have a stainless steel butterfly clasp. Let me know in the comment section if you like the butterfly clasp or the folding clasp. Coming to the back side, we have a see-through case back, and we have some notches, and it also has some information regarding the manufacturer name, water resistance, which is 100 meter, and stainless steel. It is the time to talk about the measurements that are taken from the seller's website. The case diameter is around 41 mm and the lug-to-lug width is around 20 mm. Case is around 13.7 mm thick. The lug-to-lug length is around 48 mm. The water resistance of this watch is around 100 meters. The window crystal is hard legs and it is flat with a cyclops on it at 3 position. And now it's time to check how it will look on a wrist. Well, here it is on a wrist of 6.5 inches. As usual, I have to remove a few links to hang it nicely around my wrist. As we can see, this is a sports watch with a durable construction. This watch is designed to withstand daily wear and tear. You can comfortably wear it at school, college, office parties and family gathering. I highly doubt that most of us ever do diving. Even if we do, then there are many more reliable options available out there. Now come to the final part. From which watch this design is inspired? Well, I believe many of you must have guessed by now. However, if you haven't, then the answer is Rolex Submariner, reference number 126613. Thank you for joining me on this quick unboxing of LIGE 6801. Let me know in the comment section if you want me to create a full review video of this watch. If you enjoyed this unboxing, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share your thoughts in the comment section. Until next time, happy watch collecting!